squirrels are just starting. They've been pouring over, especially this morning. They know I just loaded it up again. Windy. You rather face the wind, little one? Yeah, the wind has been gusting today, about 30 miles an hour. And a cold front has come in, so I'll try to put out extra peanuts, pecans, because the temperature's dipping again. But at least the sun came out. Right, guys? That's when he's staying in the bowl now. See, the birds grab a lot of peanuts as well. They be flying off of one. And another bird, he's gonna dive down probably. Yep. Have a peanut and go. Those the squirrels, the birds, the chipmunks. That's how you go through 5 pounds a day in peanuts. Oh, it's chilly out here. Let's go to the shade right now. Oh, it's getting chilly out here in Squirrel Land. So the guy, he's got his swat. these guys went home. It's cold. They ate earlier. Uh-oh. Squirrel alarm just went off. Uh-oh, hawk. Look at that. Hawk. Uh-oh. Look out, guys. That'll clear them out. Hawks overhead. Yep. Alright. Let me stay out here. Ward them off. They dive down low. That's why we have all these metallic things bouncing around here to blind them. But they're out. Be careful, guys. He's right there. He's circling. Alright, time for me to go.